team at Stroud Water Research Center is reflecting this season on the gifts and joys of the past year. We are grateful to you for sharing your expertise, land, and friendship while we work together to protect our most precious resource, fresh water. Your gift of time, treasure, and talent speaks to your dedication and passion for environmental conservation. It motivates us in our work, knowing that we have the support of people like you who share our vision of a more sustainable world. You play an instrumental role in sustaining the health and vitality of our streams and rivers, and for that we are truly grateful. From microbes in the smallest headwater streams to brook trout that need help to make a comeback, our researchers are making discoveries to return our streams and rivers to a healthier state. Your generosity is advancing knowledge and stewardship of freshwater systems locally and around the world. This is just the beginning of our journey together. Thank you, and on behalf of the entire Stroud Water Research Center team, I wish you and your family a very happy Thanksgiving.